Welcome to Mindful Breathing, a potent tool for stress reduction and inner peace. In this series, we'll delve into the practice and advantages of mindful breathing. Learn to foster present moment awareness and incorporate mindful breathing into your daily routine for stress reduction and enhanced calmness. Follow straightforward instructions for a journey into the mindful breath. Let's take a moment now to embark on this mindful journey. Anapanasati, meaning mindfulness of breathing in Pali, is a foundational Buddhist meditation practice that cultivates present moment awareness through focusing on the breath. Originating in the Theravada tradition, it's practiced by millions worldwide for its simplicity, accessibility, and profound benefits. So how does it work? Anapanasati encourages practitioners to gently observe the natural flow of their breath without judgment or manipulation. Attention can be placed on various aspects of the breath, like the rise and fall of the abdomen, the sensations at the nostrils, or the coolness of the air entering and leaving. Different methods cater to individual preferences. Some practitioners count the breaths, while others simply observe the breath without counting. The key is to maintain a gentle focus, letting go of distractions and returning to the breath when the mind wanders. Scientific research is increasingly validating the benefits of Anapanasati. Studies suggest it can enhance focus, attention, and cognitive flexibility. It's also shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. The beauty of Anapanasati lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It requires no special equipment or setting, making it ideal for busy individuals seeking a moment of calm amidst the chaos. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or a curious beginner, Anapanasati offers a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace and well-being, one breath at a time. This is just a brief glimpse into the vast world of Anapanasati. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to explore the original Wikipedia article or delve deeper into the rich resources available on this transformative practice. I hope this summary is helpful. Kindly like and subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this.